In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the view result option for respondents on Google Forms. This is a helpful feature if you want to keep your form responses private or simply need to manage how respondents view their submissions. Let's begin by navigating to Google Drive. This is where all your Google Forms are stored along with your other documents and files. Open up your web browser and head over to the Google Drive website. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in Google Drive, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll spot the New button, which usually holds a plus symbol next to it. Click on this button and a drop-down menu will appear, listing various Google applications. Among these, there will be an option named Google Forms. Click on Google Forms and it will either open a new form or allow you to choose from already existing ones. If you're working with an existing form, you can easily find it by going through your Google Drive or simply typing in the name of the form in the search bar located at the top of the page. If you're creating a new form, a blank form will open up and you can start building it by adding questions, choosing form settings, and so on. Now select the form you wish to edit. This will take you to the form's main page where you can see the questions and various formatting options. Look for the settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol, and click on it. This will open the settings panel for your Google form. In the settings panel, you'll want to focus your attention on the presentation tab. Clicking on it will show you different options related to how your form appears to respondents upon submission. One of these options is labeled View Results Summary. By default, this might be toggled on, which means respondents may be able to see a summary of responses after they submit their answers. To turn this option off, simply click on the toggle switch next to View Results Summary. It should now switch from the on position to off, effectively disabling the feature that allows respondents to view the results of the form. This ensures that the submitted data remains visible only to you or anyone you specifically share it with. Remember to save your changes before exiting the settings panel to ensure the adjustments are applied. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the view result option for your Google Forms respondents. This little tweak can help you manage privacy and control over the feedback you collect. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore other settings in Google Forms to further customize your data collection experience.